HG Toilet Gel Extra Strong removes all deposits in one go. At least that's what HG says. Well, let's check it out. Hi John.
Hello.
Is your HG Toilet Gel the best way to remove stubborn limescale from my toilet bowl just in one go?
It sure is. It's not without a reason that it has been chosen Best Product of the Year 2020 by consumers in the Netherlands and Belgium.
Oh, what makes it so good then?
Well, it's not only 10 times stronger than chlorine, it also doesn't contain hydrochloric acid. Normal power cleaners contain hydrochloric acid, and that is bad for the glaze of your toilet bowl.
Can you show me how it works?
If you look at this toilet bowl, you see that the upper part is still shining. The lower part has lost its shine, and it also has lost its smoothness. That is because it has been treated with a power cleaner that contains hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid also releases fumes which are bad for metals in your bathroom or your toilet. Look at this step. It is corroded. That's because of the fumes from hydrochloric acid.
Mean stuff.
It sure is. That's why we don't use it.
Ah, okay. Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
So it's true. HG Toilet Gel Extra Strong safely removes stubborn limescale and stains in one go.